Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video, we're going to look at another professional brand light, pocket light, that has been extremely helpful. So good. I have one at work and I bought one from home, and it's this little snap-on right here. And this thing even takes batteries, so you don't have to worry about the rechargeable battery inside failing. This is the snap-on ECPNBO24-GR 200 lumen cob pocket light with UV. This is relatively inexpensive. You think for snap-on you'd be paying $700, but it's $29.99 Canadian off the snap-on truck. Whoops, I was being a little stubborn. That's your little retainer. There's the UV. Now this also has two magnets on it. If you're working on something, you want to attach it to the side. It's also got the magnet on the bottom. .200 cob. The UV. Definitely impressive. This is the light that it shines. 200 lumens. For a small little pen light, this is darn good. Battery life is really decent as well. If you're working in a dark section, definitely lights up stuff, that's for sure. Very impressive. Here's a good look of it. $29.99 in Canada. 2 magnets. Takes 3 AAA batteries. Battery life is actually pretty good. I've had mine running at work for about a week before the battery started running low, and I use it all the time. Comes in all your ultimate snap-on colors, the green, red, orange, but the green is the best. Alright, well, I'm going to end my video here. One of these is a must-have item to have in your shop. The green snap-on, favorite color. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching. And I want to know, what type of light do you guys like to use when you're working on things that are similar to this one?